And the Lord spake unto Moses, saying,
Speak unto the children of Israel, saying,
The 15th day of this 7th month shall be the Feast of Tabernacles for 7 days unto the Lord. On the first day shall be an holy convocation. Ye shall do no servile work therein. 7 days ye shall offer an offering made by fire unto the Lord. On the 8th day shall be an holy convocation unto you. And ye shall offer an offering made by fire unto the Lord. It is a solemn assembly, and ye shall do no servile work therein.
Makom haya lemata Yerushalayim. There's a place below Yerushalayim, v'nikra Motza, and it was called Motza. Mishnah says, Yordi lisham umalaktin misham murbiyot shel arava. They would go down to this place in Motza, and they would collect from there long branches of the aravot. Ubaim v'zokfim otam b'tzidei hamizbeach, and they would place them on the sides of the mizbeach. So they would stand them up at tzidei hamizbeach, v'rashem kfufim al gabei hamizbeach, and the heads of the branches were kfufim, were leaning in over the mizbeach. So it was almost like you built this sort of forest in the Beit HaMikdash. Really, really fascinating. Tak'u v'heriu v'tak'u. They blew the shofar, tkiya, tru'ah, and tkiya. B'chol yom mekifet hamizbeach pam achat. So every day they would surround, they would go around. The hakif means hakafa. They would go around the mizbeach one time. V'oto hayom, the 7th day, Hoshana Rabbah, hayu mekifim et hamizbeach sheva pa'amim. They surround the mizbeach 7 times. Shat p'tiratan, when they were done, when they would leave, Mayin Omrin, they would say, Yofi lach mizbeach, Yofi lach mizbeach. How nice are you, the mizbeach? How nice are you, mizbeach? It's beautiful. Rabbi Lezer Omer, Rabbi Lezer would say, Liya ulecha mizbeach. To God and to you, mizbeach. Liya ulecha mizbeach. To God and to you, mizbeach.
As they arrived at the court of the priests, they circled the altar once, and then the priest poured the water out onto the altar of sacrifice. They did this for each morning for the 6 days. On the 7th day, called the great day of the feast, the same ritual took place, except the priest circled the altar 7 times instead of only once.